Tired of paying an annual fee for a credit card that doesn't match your spending? Most people get this wrong. They assume no-fee cards can't offer rewards or perks. The surprising truth is that several no-annual-fee credit cards provide excellent cash back, points, and benefits without the extra cost. Let's break it down. The CD Double Cash Card is a standout. It gives 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you buy, and 1% when you pay it off. That's simple, unlimited, and effective for anyone who wants rewards without worrying about rotating categories or activation. Another strong option is the Discover Cashback Card, which offers 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories, plus a dollar-for-dollar match of all cash back earned in the first year for new cardholders. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate how much these simple rewards add up over time. Other no-fee options include the Chase Freedom Unlimited, which gives 1.5% cash back on all purchases plus bonus categories for travel and dining, and the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Card, which also gives unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. Tips to maximize no-fee cards. 1. Use them consistently for everyday spending to earn rewards. 2. Pay balances in full to avoid interest charges. 3. Keep an eye on bonus categories to earn extra rewards without extra cost. Who should get these cards? Anyone who wants to earn rewards without paying a yearly fee. Perfect for students, budget-conscious spenders, and first-time card holders. Even modest spending can accumulate into meaningful cash back or points over a year. If this guide helped you find the best no-annual-fee credit cards, subscribe for more tips on getting rewards without paying extra. Free rewards are possible. You just need the right card.